Xingdi Hong Kong Electronic Company Limited. Ping & Shen Automatic Clearance Avoidance Warning System is a smart cruise driver assistance system. It can auto-control your vehicle speed and keep safe enough distance with the vehicle in front of you. Ping & Shen Automatic Clearance Avoidance Warning System real-time measures the distance to the front vehicle in the same lane by its long-distance ultrasonic sensors and long-distance lidar sensors. Auto slow down when real distance is less than default safe distance. If the distance is still not safe enough, after auto slow down, system will auto brake to slow down. Latch the distance between two vehicles to make sure there is safe enough distance to front car. When there is no vehicle in 200 meters, system will allow the vehicle drive on the side height the speed. At emergency situation, the system will brake and alarm. Slow down to mitigate the clearing efforts or even avoid the clearing. Ping & Shen Automatic Clearing Avoidance Warning System make driving easier, safer to protect the driver and passenger safe. Sure to make it 100% safe. It calls on the drivers themselves. Automatic Clearing Avoidance Warning System just do its best to assist the driver in driving safety. Xingdi Hong Kong Electronic Company Limited.